Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as you might know if you follow my channel, I love to make things out of scrap wood. So in this video I'd like to show you 10 easy things that you can make out of scrap wood that you might find lying around at home. If you'd like to see the full length versions of these project videos, I'll leave links in the description box below to those videos. So number one is some shelving brackets. I recently made these sturdy shelving brackets for my workshop and I use them to hold up wood in the workshop. Really simple and easy to make with a few offcuts of wood. Number two is a furniture dolly. If you've got a bit of scrap wood, I used some bed slats and some old carpet and some casters. You can make one of these. They're great for moving large objects around your home, such as furniture. Number three is a mallet. Really simple to make and you don't need much material. I've just used a few bits of wood from an old sofa and an oak broom handle to make this one. So number four is a sign for your workshop. I made this out of just a scrap piece of pallet wood and used a palm router to cut out the letters. Number five is a storage box on wheels. I recently made this for my cupboard to store all of my games in. This is just made out of some scrap pallet wood and plywood. I added some wheels at the bottom so that it can be pushed into a cupboard. Number six is a cat scratch post. I made this out of just some scrap pallet wood and some offcuts of carpet. Great if you have a cat at home and you don't want it to destroy your sofa. Number seven are some tea light holders. These are made out of blocks from pallets. Nice and simple and effective, and they can be given out as gifts too at Christmas. Number eight is a bottle opener. Again, nice and simple, scrap piece of wood, decorated, can make a nice gift. Number nine is a Christmas snowman decoration. This is again made out of a thick piece of pallet wood and decorated, and the nose is a piece of broom handle, and you can see I've made several here. Number 10, Halloween decorations. These are just some scrap bits of 3x2 cut into different shapes at the top, and you have a ghost, a pumpkin and a cat. Again, very cheap and easy and effective decorations for seasonal events. So if you found this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.